some cool things about dentistry is that just like other fields, it's constantly changing and evolving, and there's new technologies that are getting incorporated into dental care. So, for example, you might have heard of like 3D printers, or we use digital scanners to take impressions of teeth. So that's becoming a more and more common technology where we can actually provide same-day crowns for patients. A patient might come in the morning needing a crown, whereas before we would have to take an impression using that goopy impression material and send it out to a lab, which takes about a couple weeks for them to design a crown and send it back. Now, some offices have a technology where we can use digital scanners to take pictures of the tooth after it's been prepared. And then a machine in the office will actually design that crown and mill it. And so that permanent crown can be put in the patient's mouth before they leave the office at the end of the day.